Hi everyone, let's talk about animal cell, right? So all the animal bodies are made up of these tiny structures which are called as animal cells. Again, like we have discussed in case of plant cells, that they have some unique features. Likewise, animal cells also have some unique features, right? So first of all, there is no cell wall. As we have seen in case of plant cells, there was a presence of cell wall, but in case of animal cells, no cell wall is present there, right? And we have seen in the case of plant cell, there is a presence of large vacuole in the case of plant cells, but here you can see very small vacuole will be present. This one, can you see? So no large vacuole, right? And there is no chloroplast. Yeah. So these were kind of points of difference between plant and animal cells. Now we'll see some unique features of animal cells. First of all, ribosomes. Can you see the ribosomes written over here? These are the ribosomes. These are actually the protein factories. Means protein formation will be takes place in ribosomes. So these are very important organelles of animal cells. Yeah. So all the proteins will be formed inside ribosomes. And proteins further they perform their own functions like in structure formation, in muscle building and all, growth and repair of tissues, right? So these were the functions of ribosomes. Then you can see here rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is also the unique feature of animal cells. These purple colored structures, these are endoplasmic reticulum, which are also called as ER. So here we have written rough, means can you see the bead formation over their layer, right? These beads are actually the ribosomes. So on rough endoplasmic reticulum, presence of ribosomes will be there. So yeah, rough endoplasmic reticulum also has the role in formation of protein, right? Likewise, we have SER, means smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So in case of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, there will be no presence of ribosomes, so it will help in the formation of lipid, right? Then we have another unique feature of animal cells. Can you see the lysosome? This is next important organelle of animal cells. These are also called as suicidal bags, right? Suicidal bags. Actually, in lysosome, presence of enzymes will be there. These enzyme helps in the breakdown of waste and it will repair older parts of cells. So these were the function of lysosome. Then we have Golgi bodies, right? Yeah, Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. Golgi bodies are actually, I'm writing here, Golgi bodies are actually called as packaging and shipping center of cell, right? Why? Because it modifies the protein and just send them where they need it, right? So this was the function of Golgi body or Golgi apparatus. So these were kind of unique features of animal cell. So that's all about animal cell. Thanks a lot.